I feel like we can all relate to having too much stuff. And if you need a way to organize it, this storage unit is fantastic. This is the 12 box, but you can also get it, I think, in like 6 all the way up to 8. And by box, I mean the cubes, obviously. The cool thing about this too is that you can actually organize this in different ways, meaning you can set it up so that they kind of have that stair look. So you have 1 and then 2, kind of like the tower going up. You can do that. And I just kind of went with the simple classic design. This will be really great in a closet for clothing, good in a toy room or a craft room. It does not hold a lot of weight. I think it's at anywhere between like 30 and like 45 pounds. So you don't want to put anything too heavy on this. But even in a living room, you know, some books, maybe some plants and your little like succulents, things like that. Look how light this is, honestly, like so easy and light. So making it very portable. You can move it from room to room. You can put it in one space. If you're not feeling that, you know, change it somewhere else. But yeah, so I think it is really great, easy to put together as well. And this is the black one. It also comes in white and gray.